Hey guys, what's up? It's Claudia Fernandez, and today we're talking about credit repair, building credit history for your personal credit all 2020. So the first thing you want to do is you want to find out what your credit score is, so that way you have a better vantage point of what it is that you're working towards, so that you can figure out your goals and then, make wiser decisions. So the first thing I recommend is to, of course, clean your credit. That way you can have a clean slate, add positive traits, and this is where I want to talk about today, adding positive traits to your account. So there is a company called Selflender that I got introduced to back in 2018. I have worked with them and dealt with them, and they are amazing. They are very user friendly, and you feel like they're always there for you. And it's very simple. So you pay a minimum of $25 a month. It gets withdrawn from your bank account, and then it reports on all three credit bureaus. So that's Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. So it reports to all three for the amount of your CD. So I've had CDs for like $500, and they just charge my account every month up until I save that amount. So you're not only building credit history, but you're also having a savings account for yourself. So you can withdraw the funds whenever, but I recommend you just stick with them and pay the full loan, so that way it can report positively on your credit report.